So, first time to work with you guys. So, ayan na nga. So, ang genre natin for today is contemporary. So, parang medyo tinira ko siya ng like yung mas kung saan tayo mas malakas. Kasi napanood ko yung mga previous dances nyo is like, yeah, and I saw your piece like, okay. So, parang kayo medyo malapit sa style ko. So, which is lovely and perfect. And then now, mag-start na tayo. Okay? So, medyo we need to like focus lang kasi syempre kasama kami ditong sasayaw. So, yan. So, tayo tatlo magkakaroon tayo ng matinding focus.
Oo nga.
Girl?
Mahirap to
Okay, so start muna tayo. So, ngayon meron muna akong ituturo na chorus muna. Okay, for the meantime. And ready? So, we have open your arms and going to up. At 5, 6, 7, 8, we go down, down, and up. Then go slide to the back. Then, parang, yes. Then parang susuntok lang tayo to the left. Punch, head, then up. Alright, one more. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Then we have like, para tayo mag-punch going down, pero like 2 times. Punch, punch, yes. Then we have k. Then parang, para lang tayo magigitara. So up, then we have up, then prepare. Okay. So, eto na. So this time, parang if kayang double, double. Pero pag single, single. Pero for today, let's try it double. Game ready? So, after the double, we go down. So, like, down. Okay? Like that. Try. 5, 6. Try natin. 5. So, ang kamay natin is pa-close from here. Okay? Try natin ang double.
Okay.
Ready? 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, go! Okay.
Nakakatawa to.
At saan kayo pupunta? Ikaw doon, ikaw dito. Okay, so I think lagyan lang natin ang spot. O sige, try muna natin single. Okay, single, pero yung passe natin is like this. Okay, point your toes. Point your toes. Okay, ang sabi. Alright, so from here, ang kamay andito. Okay, yes, like that. Okay, ready? 5, 6, so pag tinignan siya, like this. Down.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Turn down. Okay, medyo nagugulat ka lang, Sophia, okay? One more. So, after the passe, going down, okay? Like down. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Lovely. Okay, so, can we try from the top? Actually, ito, nahirapan talaga ako nung first rehearsal talaga namin, right? Kasi, iba kasi yung pagtuturo ka, then nakikita mo yung mga tinuturuan mo. So now, ang parang challenging sa akin is yung kasama ako with them to like more... Kasi, andun yung yung hindi mo nakikita yung ginagawa mong pyesa. Kasi nga, kasama ka. So, parang mas doon ako mas nahirapan for it. Kasi dapat kailangan ko siyang makita para mas malaman ko if andun ba kami sa tema namin, kung kabit kaming tatlo. So pero after all naman is nagawa ko naman siya ng paraan para mas mapabongga pa namin itong piyesang gagawin namin for you guys.
I think naman to, parang kahit it's a new experience for, not just for us, for the whole show din. I think ang dami talagang, syempre iba rin talaga, kahit sabihin natin isang tao lang yung nadagdag, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin. Yes. So, I think isa yun sa mga nilolook forward ko talaga kasi syempre ang dami, kasi minsan nalilimit pag dalawa lang kayo. So, now na may third person tayo, I think mas madami kaming kayang gawin.
Tsaka nasanay tayo laging duos. So this brings a different taste sa plate. So, mas mahirap din, may challenge din. At nasanay, I'm sure kaming lahat na duo, nasanay kami ng partnering talaga. But to add another person, yung blockings lalo na, doon ako medyo nahirapan. But sa guidance si Coach Maki at lalo first time ko siya makasama, nagagawa namin, very happy kami. Tapos more than satisfied kami sa ginawa namin. First time makikita yung ganito ka-intense.